In today's video, I am going to look at a past video and recreate it with a new color and design. Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. A couple of years back, I made a video about this wreath, and at that time, I was really into the blues and silvers for Christmas. Well, now I'm kind of into the golds and whites. So I wanted to make another wreath, another video, and I have collected a bunch of different gold baubles. Some of them are plastic, some of them are glass, and I'm going to attempt to make another wreath sort of like that one. The thing is, when I made that one, I had a large wreath form from Dollar Tree, and I don't have one, and I hate going to Dollar Tree. So I don't want to run over there, but I do have this grapevine wreath. And it's not exactly my first choice, but to make it better, I am going to wrap it with this fur ribbon. I was gifted 3 spools of this, and if you look, it was expensive when someone purchased it, but someone gave me 3 spools of this, and I am going to totally wrap this grapevine wreath with it, and then proceed and put all the ornaments on it and do a little decorating technique I'm excited to try. I believe I have my wreath the way I want it, the side facing up and everything. And I am going to start right now just by hot gluing one edge on the back and then just start wrapping. And my hope is that it will all look nice in the end. It's going to get covered with ornaments, but still I want it to be nice and tight and be able to support it all. Alrighty, she is nicely covered front and back. It's very tight. I'm going to let my hot glue set up just, 15, 20 minutes, and then start gluing my ornaments on. I am the tiniest bit concerned about, see how it's a lot smaller over here and it's bigger over there. This is, I wanted it oval because if it's this way, look how off that one is. If it's that way, again, off, like the circle in the middle. This was the best I could hope for. You know, if you imagine it up, if you can imagine it hanging up. So, I don't know. I'm going to begin with putting probably a ball here, a ball here, a ball here. 3 large balls, and then just do the opposite. You know, like if I were to put a silver one here, I'm going to put a silver one here. If I put a white one here, I'm going to put a white one here. Just do everything across from each other, and it usually turns out okay, but we're going to find out firsthand. Stick around. I have put some work into this, and my next idea, I hope, does not ruin it. Keep your fingers crossed for me. I am going to take this strand of beads. It was much longer, but all the tiniest beads, I sat and cut them off and glued them on so they would be the filler. My idea is to just cut little pieces off and let it hang. Sort of like glue it right here and let it hang down a little bit, maybe 4 or 5 beads, and do this. Do it throughout the entire wreath. Hopefully I don't ruin it. I guess I could just pop off the hot glue if it looks horrible. But we'll see. You don't learn until you try. I ain't dragging the ground everywhere. Let's do my first one right about there. What do I do with my gun? Oh, I hope this here's dry. Oh, good gravy. I didn't want to cut any of the beads until I knew how long I wanted them. So let's do this one. Let's take right here. Oh, cute. So what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, this might be fun. Okay, I cut a handful of them just to kind of make it easier to stand here and figure out where I want them to go. I think I need one here. I don't want to do too many. I think it's not hard to do that, just a few too many. And I can also cut, if they seem too long, I can just cut them. I kind of like that. I kind of like the movement of it. All right, I think I'm going to cut a few more and move the camera around. Show you guys what it looks like. I think I want maybe a short one here in the middle. I don't know. I'm so afraid of overdoing it. And I think it's pretty good right now. What if that one was shorter? Yeah, I want to do a shorter. I'll have to cut it. I think that's enough. I don't want to do too much. I'm bad for that. Seems like I'm overkill on everything. I took some final pictures and didn't like it, so I added a long one in the middle, and I think that is just right. Wait, maybe not. Maybe it needs something, just a little one here and over here. Oh, I just am never going to be able to stop. Good gravy. I've added a lot more, but I think it looks great. That's the hard part for me, knowing when to stop. Okay, I'm going to style it and hopefully not add anything else, but you will see if I find the coolest thing in the world. I did not find the coolest thing in the world to style this with. I looked and looked. I did try a couple of just pieces I had sitting around. Let me know if you have a favorite of what I'm showing. Thanks for watching.